Hello students, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will discuss the first chapter of 11th class mathematics, that is sets. In our daily life, we consider the many objects, we describe them, we analyze them. On the basis of those objects, some of them are individual and some of them belong to group. To define the things, the object which belong to group, we use the set theory. So what the set exactly is? So, a well-defined collection of the data or the object is known as set. The term well-defined means the complete information regarding the data and the object. Let's take an example. Let's take example rivers of India, and you know that there are many rivers of India: Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Godavari, Kaveri, right? These are the many more rivers will come definitely. And the vowels in English alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. These are the five elements which come in this under this head. The vowels of English alphabet. Another examples are set of odd natural number less than 10. सो इसका एक जो सेट बनेगा वो कौन सा बनेगा? इसमें कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स आ सकते हैं? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Right? These are the following examples. We'll consider the first now, and another example is the set of the months which start with the letter J. So we already know that there are the 3 months: January, June and July. These are the 3 months which start with the letter J, right? If I say that the set of days of week, days of a week, so obviously you know that from Monday to Sunday there are the 7 days in a week comes under this set, right? Our next topic is what is set and what is not a set. सेट हम किसे कहेंगे और किसको नहीं कहेंगे? एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स ऑफ टीम इंडिया. डेफिनेटली टीम इंडिया में जो भी क्रिकेट प्लेयर होंगे उनके बेसिकली आपको नाम पता होंगे. गुड टीचर्स ऑफ ए स्कूल, अगर यहाँ पे केवल टीचर्स होता, टीचर्स ऑफ ए स्कूल एक सेट है, यस वी कैन कंसिडर, क्योंकि एक स्कूल में बहुत सारे टीचर्स होते हैं, अलग अलग टीचर्स के नाम हो जाते हैं. बट गुड टीचर्स इज नॉट ए सेट जस्ट बिकॉज द क्वालिटी, and quality is varying from person to person, so we cannot define this set. Now the element the set is represented by the symbol in a capital alphabet like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and elements of the sets are represented by the small alphabet like this. Suppose if you have to write the set of vowels of English alphabet, then we'll write B as a symbol and we'll write the elements A, E, I, O, U, right? Now we will see how the elements belong to a particular set. Let's take an example. This is set A, which has 5 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All these 5 elements belong to set A. So if I have to represent that 4 belongs to this set A, so I will represent as 4. This is a symbol which is used to show that this 4 belongs to set A. This is read as belongs to, and this is epsilon, right? Suppose if it is asked that if the 6 is the element of this set A, so no, this is not the element of set A because 6 doesn't belong to set A. There are only 5 elements and from number 1 to 5 only. To understand this, the elements of set A, we take an example. Let A is a set which has the 6 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to fill all the following blanks with the symbol belongs to or not belongs to. If the given elements belong to the set A, then we will write the symbol belongs to, and if the given elements doesn't belongs to the set A, then we will write this symbol. Right. First is 5. 5, yes, 5 belongs to set A. Then we will write the symbol this belongs to. 8. 8 is not in this group of set A. So it doesn't belongs to. 0 doesn't belongs to. 10 doesn't belongs to. 2 belongs to. 4 belongs to. Right? Here are some symbols, common symbol used in mathematics, that is capital N, it is used for the all natural numbers. Z, it is used for the all integers. Z plus means for all positive integers. Z minus for all negative integers. Now our further topic is how to represent the sets. The set representation of set can be done by two ways. First is roster form and second is set builder form. Roster form we have already discussed in our examples and we will discuss in detail now. Now we have to discuss the representation of sets by the roster form. It is also known as the tabular form, in which the data are represented in expanded form, right? Let's suppose set of natural numbers less than 6. So suppose if I represent this set by A,